Saswad might look a barren to the untrained eye, but this dry, deciduous scrubland is the breeding ground for a number of small to mid-sized wildlife. The grasslands harbor more than 350 species of birds and 25 species of mammals. The Saswad grassland are one of the best places for birding close to Pune city. Next day morning, our plan was to explore the area, so stay with us for this interesting video.
Hi, I'm Rana and I like to do wildlife photography and make videos. That's why whenever I get a chance, I try to go somewhere far away from this crowded city. I always try to record whatever wildlife activity I see there and share it with you. I hope you like my videos. So let's go, it's time to explore the wild.
After taking photos of vernal hanging parrot, next day morning we decided to explore the grassland of Saswad. We were all very excited to all those quails and raptors found here. So Amol took us to the grassland area where we might encounter with Indian grey wolf and striped hyena. After entering the grassland, we saw a rain quail on a rock and welcomed us with its beautiful calling. Not only one, many more rain quail was there. Call was coming from everywhere. We stopped there and took some beautiful photos and videos. Rain quail is resident but local migratory, mostly found in grasslands, crop fields and scrubs in the Indus Valley of India, Myanmar, Thailand and Cambodia, mostly seen in winter further south. After took photos of rain quail, we started to explore more. Suddenly we spotted a rock bush quail standing on a rock and calling with beautiful voice. Few calls also coming from other end of the field. Rockbush quail is native to western half of India and is believed to be a non-migratory species, mostly found in arid areas with scrubby grassland and thorny bushes. We were busy filming rockbush quail. Suddenly a call came from nearby area and we all got excited. A painted francolin calling standing on a pillar. They are not easy to spot but become vocal during the breeding season after the monsoons. During the non-breeding season, they might call at dusk. Seeing these three species, we are very excited. But hey, there are many species left to see. We again started our journey and searching for other species. Suddenly we spotted a bird on a pillar far away, and it's a white-eye buzzard. It's a lifer for me, so I was so much excited. This buzzard is widely distributed in South Asia and throughout India in the plains. We tried to go near of it, but the bird got scared and flew away. We saw a chinkara or an Indian gazelle grazing in the field. We stopped there and took some videos of it. On the second half, we went to a location and started to explore on foot for two species, white-bellied minivet and broad-tailed gusbird. But we got them from a long distance. Then again we went to the grassland for wolf and hyena. But instead of mammals, we spotted a short-toed snake eagle sitting on a tree. This bird is not bothered at all and sat there for a quite long time. Snake eagle can be found throughout the Mediterranean basin into Russia and Middle East and parts of Western Asia and in the Indian subcontinent, and also further east in some Indonesian islands. Mostly found in the open cultivated plains, arid stony deciduous scrub areas and foothills and semi-desert areas. Suddenly a Bonelli's eagle came and sat on a tree nearby, but didn't stay there for a long time. Though we didn't find wolf and our most expected species, striped hyena, but we are very satisfied to see this beautiful species. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. More Bhigwan series episodes will come, so stay with us. If you have any suggestions or anything to share, please give a comment. Thank you for watching this video.